It is the New Year's Day of the traditional Indian calendar, but it also happens to be the birthday of RSS founder Dr. Hedgewar. His ancestral village, Kundkurti in Telangana, has emerged as an inspiring example of communal harmony, education of the girl child, and Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. It used to be a dreamy little village on the confluence of three rivers, Godavari, Haridra, and Manjiri, where Maratha king Maharaj Shivaji stayed and Ahilyabai Holkar built a Shiva temple.
कंदकुर्ती से डॉक्टर साहब का परिवार नागपुर में आया। कंदकुर्ती में त्रिवेणी संगम कहते हैं। बहुत निकट देवी शारदा का, सरस्वती का बासर स्थान है। तो चिंतन की मूलगामिता, पवित्रता आदि का संस्कार लेकर संभवतः ये परिवार नागपुर आया होगा। डॉक्टर साहब का पारिवारिक वातावरण ये कंदकुर्ती के संस्कारों से बना ही होगा।
RSS founder Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, whose 128th birthday falls today, has his family roots in Telangana, has been an inspiration for the local villagers to start a co-educational school in his memory, which has become an icon of social harmony and digital India. It has a large number of Muslim students. The village population comprises 65% Muslims and 35% Hindus. The local mosque and the temple have been symbols of communal harmony and brotherhood. Hindus and Muslims work together for delivering medical help to the village community and run many projects to help women's economic empowerment. Muslim parents feel proud to send their wards to the school, which has been opened in memory of Dr. Hedgewar, says a local Urdu language journalist Jalil Beg.
ये केशव शिशु मंदिर स्कूल जब से कायम हुआ तब से हमारे गांव में तालीम अच्छी हो रही है और गांव में भी हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाईचारा के तौर के रहते हैं। इस तरह से हमारा गांव एक मिली झिली एकजुटी एक हिंदुस्तान का एक मिसाली गांव है।
No wonder, seeing the importance of the village, the first MP of Telangana, Kavita Kalvakuntala, adopted the village for development.
एक कुशल संगठक, एक प्रखर देशभक्त, एक त्यागी, बलिदानी और एक इसके साथ साथ कर्तृत्व को ही प्रेरणा का देने का माध्यम बनाने वाले डॉक्टर साहब का जीवन न केवल भारत, दुनिया में जहाँ कहीं भी इस प्रकार के संगठनों के लिए अध्ययन होता होगा।
Dr. Hedgewar, who remains the biggest influence on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Party President Amit Shah, has given them the best gift through his ancestral village, which is today an example of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Bureau Report, DD News.